if you're in your 20 and you're winging it, thinking everything will just somehow work out, I got some bad news. What if I told you that most people ruin their future before they even hit 25? Not with one big mistake, but with a bunch of small ones that look harmless until they destroy your 30, your 40, and your peace of mind. And here's the worst part. No one warns you. School doesn't. Parents don't. And most of your friends, they're too busy messing up themselves. So here's what we're doing today. I'm walking you through the 7 deadliest mistakes people make in their 20s and how to dodge them like your future depends on it, because it does. And hey, real quick, Tash or now, if you're between 15 and 25 and you want to be rich, free, and unregrettably successful, this video might literally change your entire life path. Let's go. Mistake 1. Treating your 20 like a vacation. You're finally out of school. You've got freedom. You think this is your trial period in life. Wrong. You're 20 on for chilling. Therefore building. I'll figure it out later. It turns into, how did I end up stuck at a job I hate with no money and no options? You don't need all the answers right now, but you do need momentum. Don't let comfort steal your decade. Button interrupt. Bro, if your sleep schedule looks like a Spotify shuffle playlist, it's time to fix it. Mistake 2. Living like you're already rich. A $7 coffee here, an impulse, Amazon buy there. Suddenly, your bank account is cosplaying as a desert. Look, you're not broke because you're in your 20s. You're broke because you spend like someone who already made it. But I work hard. I deserve to treat myself. Yeah. You also deserve financial peace, investments, and options. Start with this mindset shift. If it doesn't grow your money or grow your mind, think twice before spending on it. Mistake 3. Not learning skills that pay. Your degree might get you in the room, but skills make you undeniable. Whether it's sales, copywriting, coding, digital marketing, editing, public speaking, you need a money-making skill, period. Not for your boss, for leverage, for freedom, for you. For you, imagine being 24 and already earning 5K a month remotely because you learned a high demand skill. That's possible now, but only if you stop scrolling and start learning. Mistake 4. Hanging around people going nowhere. Real talk? Your circle is either your jetpack or your anchor. If your friends complain about life but do nothing, spend every weekend blacking out, mock ambition, Bo, you're next. Bo, your environment is shaping you silently. So either upgrade your circle or outgrow it. And yeah, it's lonely sometimes, but you'll thank yourself when your life starts compounding while they're still figuring it out. Mistake 5. Thinking you have more time than you do. This is the silent killer. You think 20 are for fun, 30 are for getting serious, and 40 are for success? Wrong. Again, every successful 30-year-old I know started grinding at 21. Not with hustle porn, but with quiet, consistent effort. You're either building habits now that serve you, or habits that will haunt you. The scary part, you don't even feel the damage until it's too late. Future you is begging you to take this decade seriously. 6. Dating like it doesn't affect your destiny. Look, you can't become your best self if you're constantly recovering from someone else's damage. Your relationship will either multiply your focus, ambition, and energy, or drain it like a cracked iPhone battery at 2%. If they don't support your grind, your vision, or your growth, park. That's not a relationship. That's resistance. Choose peace over drama. Every time. Mistake 7. Ignoring mindset and mental health. You're chasing money, success, freedom, great. But if your mind is constantly at war with itself, you'll self-sabotage every win you earn. Therapy isn't weak. Meditation isn't weird. Journaling isn't lame. This isn't about being soft. It's about being strong enough to handle pressure without collapsing. Mental resilience is the real flex. So stop bottling it up. Handle your mind like you handle your goals, with discipline. Let's be real. You could ignore everything I just said, and maybe things will still be fine. You get by, survive, blend in, be average. But you didn't click this video because you want to be average, right? You're here because you know you were built for more. And maybe, just maybe, this was the wake-up call you needed. So here's what I'll ask. If this video hit you in the chest, if even one of these mistakes made you pause, subscribe,